So guys, welcome back to another episode of SRM Performance. And today, let me get this laptop because we got some logging to do. So today we're heading to Brian's. We replaced the head gaskets on this thing, but it keeps blowing them. Old Blazing Blue keeps blowing the head gaskets. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm gonna try to show y'all right now. See if y'all can see right there. Y'all see how it keeps blowing the gasket? Y'all can see the gasket coming out. That's the way we're running it. But anyways, we're gonna take off to Brian's because I'm gonna take it out apart at Brian's house or at Brian's shop, and I'm gonna leave it over there so that way I don't have everything in my way over here when I'm trying to work. So let's hope this baby starts. All right, son, love you, bye. Got the key. Hold on. Got the key over my head, and I had bought this badass, this nice keychain holder, but as you can see I already broke it with the steering wheel. So light this thing up, turn my fuel pumps. It's cold right now. Sun is bright. Let's let it warm up a little bit. Alrighty, sit out here. Put y'all right here. And as y'all can see, safety first. I'm just gonna leave it in third gear. Ready, set. Woohoo! Yee! I'm talking about right there, baby. Hear the jet still going? Bam, bam, bam. Ahí es el cabrón. ¿Qué pasó, Brian? ¿Qué andas haciendo? ¿A poco andas trabajando? Dice Brian que ando trabajando, no se me hace, puro pedo. ¿Qué andas haciendo aquí?
¿Qué estamos trabajando?
¿Pinche Brian?
Mira.
Oh, este es el que vamos a hacer pasi.
Sí. Este es que le van a ir en toda la madre en el ahí.
Ahí en el HI, a ver qué tal, a ver si es verdad, ¿verdad? ¿Que va a patinar o qué? Sí. Sí.
¿Cómo ves?
No, por ahorita vemos. Ahorita le dije que era la patota esta también. One more time. ¿Cómo corre recio la mugre, güey?
Sí.
Sí, güey. We'll get back with y'all and then we'll show y'all all the damages and everything that's done. And like I said, do not try this at home. We're gonna sand it with the sanding block, but don't try this shit at home. And if I'm building you a motor, I'm not gonna do this. So don't ask me to do it because you want to do it cheaper. This is only because we're doing race car stuff, and we have to get the race car ready for this weekend. We're letting it cool down a little bit. Mira el pinche güero ya se enojó porque le estoy diciendo Ryan instead of Brian. Brian, the same damn thing.
Brian.
What you doing?
No enseñes mi reservoir porque toda la gente es de mamona.
Nada, pinche reservoir este nomás. Vamos a agarrar uno como que él trae la pinche Blazer. Los mamones que mamen todavía. Anda un poquito mejor la Black Beauty porque Brian tiene pinche 2 años que no la saca la chingada y luego vive en el pinche rancho, mira. Para que miren dónde está.
En medio pinche.
En el mero ninja. ¿Viste? So, está cabrón para la mamalona. You can't keep them clean.
Los negros la güey.
Y los negra.
Como mi suerte.
Chinga. Pero como quiera le estaban poniendo un boost controller, guacha. Este es un eBay boost controller de $25.
Turbo Smart, no mames.
Turbo Smart.
Summit.
Como quiera vamos a ver cómo jala. ¿Qué estás haciendo? How much boost?
7.
7 pounds. A ver si lo podemos hacer que haga que 10 pounds, 12 pounds.
Más.
Más y más.
17 total, ¿no?
Estuviera bueno.
A ver si aguantan los
Is it
80
manual
pounds.
or you just gotta turn it?
No, este es
Sí,
manual.
pinche. Let's go ahead and start tearing this thing down. I'm gonna take these hose off. Get all that. It's hot still. I just barely got the Blazer over here. So, hey. Let's go ahead and pull these hose off. Nasty stuff. Who? Jaime Cebolla.
Yeah.
And Dimit? From
Yeah.
Dimit?
I don't know if you know Jose. They call him Nono.
Sí. A lo mejor, pero tengo que mirarlo, se me va la onda. No me acuerdo. Can't smoke too much, you know? Sometimes I don't remember them things, man. Ya tenía mucho, ¿eh? El que me acuerdo es el Manari y el pinche Raymond. Un pinche gigante. Raymond. Some shit.
Tuviste que hacerle un chingo de jale al pinche. La madre pa. For the steering wheel, ¿verdad?
Yeah, but that steering wheel's not for work. I'm supposed to put a different one. A straight one.
Yeah.
But I just did that one. Should try to get it for racing. Right now is the time that we're supposed to be breaking it down to get it right.
Bueno, y el José me está diciendo así que no, José.
I didn't see that, but I was burning my hand with the cylinder head. It's still hot. So, as you can see, he still got the low air gasket. But we're gonna see why it keeps blowing the head gasket. We're thinking that the surface right here is already warped so many times that I've lifted these heads and overheated it. And what happens is that I don't get, whenever I am racing, if it starts overheating, I don't even care. I just keep racing at 250, 260 degrees, and you know, I just want to win. I don't care about breaking it. Right, Brian? And that's the problem. And then we're here. We're in this situation right here. But thankfully, we got that reservoir tank to pull it down now, so we got it under control. So now we're gonna fix it, and hopefully it lasts a while. Well, at least it lasts race. Magnet. Nomás las de abajo puedes agarrarlas de medio, ¿no? No se vienen todas. Let me get you a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. Let's get these head studs out of here, you know. That way we can do the surface. And shout out to Brian, he gave me some brand new lifter trays. But I guess now we can put the other new ones on the other side, huh?
Ahí está.
And then I'll just buy you another set. Because I'm going to need them on that side. Ah, is it hot? That's what I'm talking about, huh? Oh, yeah. Pull it out. You got it. There you go. Push that there. Is it hot? Ooh. There goes them little nuts. Them little washers, I mean. Little nuts is Porky. Porky, you hear that, my boy? Sheesh. Yeah, y'all could see that oil was getting milky already. It was starting to push the head gaskets on.
5.
Number 5 on that side, number 1 on this side. Let's go look at that side real quick. What does it look like, Brian? Oh, yeah. Look, and as y'all can see, look how bubbly this gets right here. Look, you see how it bubbles right there? That means that was bad, because nothing else is bubbled. None of the other ones. So this is the one that was getting hot, but it was probably pushing through because it's warped. So whenever we go into boost, that's when it started pushing it. Yeah, so let's continue doing this. Get these last couple bolts out, studs out. And guys, right now while we go, we're gonna go ahead and log Brian's truck with HP tuners because we're trying to get this thing ready for ATI too, but damn, too small. Oh yeah, don't fit in there. And if y'all wondering what this is for, it's so that way we can log the wideband onto the HP tuners. ¿Está apagado? ¿Está muy o qué? Oh, there it goes. No andes haciendo maldiciones en them.
On YouTube. Sorry, guys.
Guys, don't mind him, he didn't know.
Also YouTuber.
Hey, no, le cerré todo el pedo.
Voy a jalar en el camino porque
Ahí va, mira.
me van a cerrar. Ay, qué feo está esa troca. La llevo.
¿Cuál choca? So, queríamos el scanner, ¿verdad?
Yeah, scan.
Start scanning.
Y 3 clicks.
And there we go. Ay, ay. Middle of the night, we out here getting sandpaper. Let's go see what they got in here. Some hay. What should we get? Did you say 220? No, you said 80.
80 or 220.
Oh man, look at this 40.
Yeah, 120.
Let's see.
100. I think it's 100.
Maybe 80, like you said, you know? Well, he's 40, but I think 40 is too rough, huh? Way too rough.
60. No, 80, but like 60.
Or 60. Yeah, let's do some 60. We'll get this one of 60.
Aquí está.
And then we'll get this pack. You know how many are in this pack?
We got 80 grit.
4 sheets. There's 4 sheets. So we gotta do 2 sheets on each side, you know? Yeah, la 80 está más de que esa. Get that 80. Oh, look, there's some 80 up there. So guys, I did something very dumb. I tried to pack the pistons in here with some paper towels, and I got one jammed way in there in the piston ring. So now we're here batallando, trying to make some jigs and some tools to get it out. Y'all see all that paper coming out of it? See that? That's how we gotta get it out slowly. And hopefully we can get it out, because We've been here for an hour already. All because Brian wanted to do this. Nah, I'm just playing. It's my fault. Like I said, do not try this at home. We got it all packed up. All nice. As you can see, it's getting nasty in there, but we're gonna clean all that out. And then we're gonna clean the block with the water, put it in this side. But as you can see, it's already looking pretty good. And you can see where the line is on the deck. See how the rest is all shiny? And then right here, you can see that. So we gotta make it all flush right there. Yep. Little technique. Now remember, the only reason we are doing this is because we have a race coming up, and I don't want to take the whole motor apart, redo it in 10 days. I want to take my time to build the motor right. So we're going to do this for now. Alright guys, so here is after we got it all cleaned up. No more edge in there, it's gone. As you can see, it is flush. And this is what the other side, I was supposed to do this side, but before I started sanding, but I started sanding it. As you can see all these spots right here, right there, and then right there. But if you look closely, you see how these got the edge, this right here. You see how these got that still? And then on these you can see it too, right here. Then you will be able to see it right here. But on this one, you can't see it at all. You can see it's just, so that's where it's warped at. So, the other side's cleaned up. We're gonna go ahead and do this side. Hopefully finishing up tonight and then hit it with about 35 pounds tomorrow. Get on, Brian. Yep. So, let's see. Alright, well guys, it is 11:58 at night time. And we got both of them done. Let me turn on the light. We got both sides done. You can't see too well. The light's not too good. But we got it done. Looks really nice. Then we got the other side done too. No more warpage. Got rid of all the lines. And you could definitely tell, if y'all can't see previously where the marks were at, they're all gone now. We just gotta clean it up real nice and clean it up, clean out the bolt hose, clean out the water, clean out everything, and then install the head studs and start installing the heads tomorrow. Tomorrow we gotta resurface the heads too, because as you can see, this was number one and it was blowing through. If you can see how the rest of them are clean. The ring all the way around, this ring was letting it go. So, yep, we'll have to resurface these too. But anyways, that's for another video. Now comment, like, and subscribe.